Hello everyone, welcome to Reader's Barrel. I'm your book friend Monica here, and today I'm making a small video on the most frequently question that is asked to me. How do you select a book? How do you know which book is right? So friends, today I'm just trying to provide little bit of suggestions that I feel can be useful to you when you select a book. First thing I would like to say here is, reading should come naturally to you. So only read when you really want to read, and just don't read for the sake of reading because people are telling that it is important to read. So if I believe that if you're asking me this question that how do you select the right book, I believe you have surpassed the first phase and you are definitely interested into reading. So the second step is whenever you identify a book, the very first thing that you should know is the purpose of reading. What are you looking into the book? What is the purpose of your reading? Because there could be multiple purposes, like you read for entertainment or for inspiration or to gain knowledge, or how to know books. For example, if you're looking for inspiration book, I would suggest go for autobiographies, biographies, memoirs. They are very inspiring. If you are looking for entertainment purpose, you can definitely go for fiction books. If you are looking for a book like how to grow rich or how to become financially independent or how to communicate nicely, so there are many how to books that you want to learn. And then there are books like for knowledge purpose, like you can go for self-help book, non-fiction books, where the whole purpose of your reading is to attain knowledge. So whenever you select a book, always try to see that what is the purpose you are looking for. Once you identify the purpose, then the next thing that you can do is that you can choose the authors that you easily relate to. Suppose you have earlier read a book of an author that you loved the most. Maybe because of the writing style of the author, or maybe because of the story plot, or maybe you feel some kind of connectivity with the author. So that is again one of the methods to choose the book, of the author you liked. Then you can find many reviews online. Reviews of course help you to identify which book you can go for next. Apart from that, I would suggest that suppose you are in a bookshop, you're looking for a different kind of book, or if you want to try a new genre of book, the best thing you can do is read the blurb of the book. Now what is a blurb of a book? This is a book here in my hand, and you can see this is the back side of the book. So in this back side of the book, you can see the narration is given. You get a little bit idea of what the story is about, or who is the protagonist, and what kind of message they are trying to portray. So author gives a short summary, and when you read this blurb, you find an instant connection. You feel there are few words here that that will compel you either to choose the book or to not choose the book. So I think this blurb will definitely help you whenever you are going to read a book, selecting a book. Secondly, if you are choosing a book, one thing you should do is open the book, randomly open any page, and try to read that page. Why you should do that, I will tell you. Because every book, the complexity of the language is different. So you should choose only those books that the language is very easy for you to understand. Suppose if you are reading 10 lines or 20 lines and you find 10 difficult words, I would rather suggest don't choose that book just because it is a highly recommended book, or it is a best classic novel, or it is something that everyone is reading. So that is not the reason to read the book. Only read when you find it comfortable. You should have a kind of comfort zone when you're reading a book. And the reason I'm saying is because if you choose a book in which the language is very difficult for you to understand, then there is a possibility that you will leave the book in between. You might not finish it. So especially this is for beginners, I would say, those who want to cultivate the reading habit, or those who are just started reading and looking for good books. Always prefer to choose the book in which the ease of language is there. And especially for beginners, I would also suggest go for short books, like the books that you can finish within an hour or two, like 100 pages kind of book. Those kind of books give you a kind of self accomplishment that you have finished it. Once you finish one book, two book, three book, you kind of gain curiosity, you feel good about it, and then later on I think you should go for more large books, big books. Apart from this, try to find a mentor for your books. Mentor, or I would say the credible source, the source from which you are taking the recommendation should be credible enough. So if possible, try to find out a mentor for yourself. Could be any teacher, could be your friend, could be your relative, could be your family member, anyone whom you think is, this is the person, if this person recommends me the book, I definitely have to read the book. So if it's possible, try to find good mentors for yourself, who knows you and who knows which book will be good for you. So these are little bit suggestions that I would like to give here. uh, Basic things keep in mind: identify the purpose of your reading, identify the ease of the language. Please definitely read the blurb, and try to find out good credible source of recommendations. And I think that is enough, just to select the right kind of book. I hope you like this video, and if you have any kind of comments, you can definitely share with me.